Okay. Barbies in the sky. Paya. Don't move, don't move, don't move. We like to party. We like to party. We like to party. We like me. We like to party. We like to party. Seeing 111. How is this 11? This is my car. Just wrong. Admit it. God comes to Geely with 5 forks. Look. Wow, vague. Half an hour. 5,000 yuan. The landlord's idiot son. What is making money? And I keep pointing out that was the great right there, that was SVB sailing. And all of a sudden credit becomes scarce. This little kid. I have no idea what happened. On the highway. I can't just stop on the side. I'll go take a look too. See if I can't do that, right? I was thinking at the time. I don't do my own thing. I'll scare myself. It's fucking terrifying. Really a Land Rover. This is the wheel. Ran ahead. It's all smoking. Too scary. No parking on private pasture. Did you hear that? Don't stop. Private, noisy place. You know? Who told you to run over us? The grasslands are here. Stop on the side of the road. Just throw garbage everywhere. You guys. It's your toilet. Do you have any decency? I don't know why you're embarrassed. Sorry to bother you. Trash everywhere. How are we herders supposed to clean this up? Don't give it to me. We can't be a testing ground. Our cattle and sheep won't eat it. This is our herder's own grassland. No parking, you know? Look at the trash around here. How are we supposed to clean this up in the future? Brother, take it down. This is your toilet. Oh, is that so? It says rest area on the side of the road. You were allowed to park here, so you've come to our grassland. Have you? Do local license plates park like this too? Look, this is not allowed. This is our own place. No parking. Please hurry up and... Oh, great. They drove in. Let our grassland know what the consequences are. This is our private pasture, no parking. You know? They will find you, you know?